What's up, guys? I couldn't help myself. Got to reverse the steering here. It's a nice evening out here, and decided I wanted to drive the B4. Earlier there was no traffic. Yeah. This thing's so smooth. And just smooth and fast. Might not be able to even see out here. It's pretty low light already. I gotta true up the steering. There we go. I got the front spoiler on this thing. I don't know if I've gotten like a lot of good footage of this yet. I wanted a B2, okay? And I started looking, and my buddy has a B2, and I've always loved them. But dude, they're expensive and rare. Gotta true it up. Look at that. Did you guys get Bear's poop? Look at that, guys.
Cool.
What'd you say? Look at this. Do we have a fresh pack even? I was gonna do a quick video. There's not enough light to drive for too long. But yeah, dude, this thing drives good. I love the handling of this. What was I driving? Oh my gosh, I wasn't even driving. Oh yeah, the phaser's got its own controller. It was at 100% throttle. I just looked at this controller and it's at 75%. So we got a lot left. Should we check it out? Runs good at 75%. Oh man, if I come off the throttle, man, it snaps. Snap oversteer. Is she tracking straight yet? There we go. Just gotta stay on the throttle, and if you come off the throttle, you gotta come off gently. So, should we throw it into 100%, or should we do it and reboot? You know? Let's see. Let's do it. There we go. There's 100. I'm still not tracking straight. Which way is it going? A little bit to the left. Or a little bit to the right. Let's see. There we go. There we go. All right. Watch the freaking speed of this thing. This thing's fast, but it's so smooth. Yeah. smooth. Barely see it. Ah, lost it. Let's see if we can get this. Oh boy. Do I have too much steering, you think? Turn the steering down a little. Oh my gosh. I can't really warm up this now. Can't really warm the tires up. It's pretty, why is it so slick? Oh boy. Better turn the steering a tiny bit. This thing is just fun and smooth. Freaking love it. So, yeah, I wanted a B2. Who wouldn't want a B2, right? And I looked, it's a couple B3s out there, but when compared to the condition of this B4, it was a rolling chassis basically, and in really good shape for the money. So I did it. Just had and I got to pick my electronics, put some nice stuff in there. So we did 60 amp, Spectrum, Firma, and a rocket motor. And yeah, centered, of course. And it's just plenty of punch, plenty of power, and I geared it up too, pretty good. I went down on the spur and up on the pinion. I think I'm running a 30-tooth pinion, if I'm not mistaken. Look at that. Looks good too. I'm a fan of the front spoilers for this kind of stuff. You can really feel it track at speed. Oh man. Can't make that corner anymore. Too slick. I can if I really am careful. Okay, let's try. You gotta be kind of on the throttle, but not too hard. There we go. If you come off too aggressively, well, in mid-corner, it snap oversteers just like that. And I'm used to driving that way because the PR can do it. The PR S1 RM, that freaking thing, dude, handles so good at speed. You guys go back and watch those videos, like the last run video I did of the PR, and just, oh yeah, there we go. Watch how freaking good it handles, and it's pretty fast. It's about the same speed as this one. Maybe a little faster. I don't know. They're both really fast. This, the PR, and the Dirt Cross are all very fast. Even my RC10 is fast. got 120 amps and a rocket motor. I can't run it at 100% throttle. I got too much power in that thing. I need to swap that out with something else. Should put that in the PR and put the PR electronics in this. I think I got 90 amps in the PR. Or I mean, put the 120 in the PR and put the 90 amp in the RC10. Or put the 90 amp in this and put the 60 amp in the RC10. That's probably more reasonable. That's probably what I should do. Probably can't even see this footage. Oh yeah, if I get this thing on the concrete, it'll wheelie right up. Watch. Oh, maybe not. Oh my God. That was weird. Do we need a bumper for safety? Yeah, this thing's really fun though, really fast. It's quick. I mean, if I had traction, I could really be aggressive on the acceleration, on the throttle, but I'm just gonna sit and spin right now. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the temperature of the tarmac or what. Can't seem to hook up. Come up with the throttle gently, if we can. Let's try this way. Oh my gosh. It's nice out, nice evening. I was really tired after work today, but then I went for a walk with the wife and the dog and the kid, and I thought, oh man, it's really nice RC car driving weather. So I got inspired and went and grabbed this real fast while I still had a little bit of light left. There. Still drifting to the right. Sometimes the left. Maybe it's the slope of the road. Can't seem to make up its mind. I don't imagine it's not centering correctly. Once I'm to speed, it's fine. I don't know. I really haven't done much to this. Yeah, I'm still drifting to the right. So one more adjustment there. There, that's better. I rebuilt the shocks, topped them off some 40 weight. No. I think I did 35 in this. I don't know, the reference previous video. I don't know. I think I did 40 weight. Cleaned it up real good. Wasn't even that dirty. Got the hot laps for the rear. Had an extra set actually. These are just the stock carbers on the front, what came with it. But for the money, this thing was a steal. Really good condition rolling chassis. Transmission, all I cared about was that the tranny was in good shape. If I was the one to build this, I would probably put thicker fluid in the differential. I feel like the diff's too loose, and if I have to go rebuild it, or I'd put thicker diff fluid in it for the type of driving I do. I think that's part of the rear traction problem. Yeah, it's got good quick turn in and stuff, sure, but I For this, I'd prefer slightly more, slightly thicker fluid. See, that's the characteristic right there. See how it's doing that too quick of a slide turn? That's because the diff's too loose. You get good turn, mid-corner turn, but that low speed cornering is just out of control. It's too wild, you know? So, dude, it's like almost pitch, it's almost dark. You guys probably can't even see nothing. This thing's sick. Just asking to smack a curb. What did I drive last? I must have driven the RC10 Gold Pan, which is why it was on 75 when I first brought it out. Because I only drive that thing on 75. It's just way too much power for 100. The bumper catches the air and it just goes airborne, flips over. It's kind of fun. So you probably can't see anything. You're just listening to me ramble, but I'm having fun. I can barely see it. If I get too far away, it becomes a little dot, a little speck. I can't see it. If I had some traction, this thing would be quick as hell. Okay. Already feels like the pack's dying. I don't even think I had a full pack, honestly. I mean, it's still trying, but yeah, it's not a full pack. These are good packs though. 7,200 milliamp hour. I don't know, it's still going. Got good brakes too. Oh my gosh. Okay, here comes a car. And I can't see crap. See that? That slow corner turn ins. It's, the diff's just too loose. All right, guys. Have a good night. Have a good weekend. Happy Friday tomorrow. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for the subscriptions. 100 plus now. It's awesome. Appreciate it. Having fun. Putting the music out there. Soundtracks. Working on some new projects now. Got new music coming down the pipe hole. So, see what happens. Check you later.